Hi everyone, it's the Beauty Shaman. So today I'm going to do more of an evening glamorous with lashes, like you're going on a date with a man, you are just flipping over, okay? Or maybe you're going out with your girlfriends and you want to be the belle of the ball. Whatever it is, this is more of a glamorous look. And I'm going to use a couple of things that I really love and I want to highlight. One is the Deck of Scarlet palette number 8. Comes like this. And you take off the sleeve, and it's really beautiful. And I've done a demo on this already, which you can watch, but I want to use it today in this tutorial because of the look I want to do. And I think the palette number 8 is just beautiful, and I want to really use that. It looks like this. This is the palette number 8 for Deck of Scarlet. And if you don't know about Deck of Scarlet, watch my other videos. It is a makeup subscription. It's $29.95 every other month. You can cancel at any time. And you get these amazing palettes in the mail. It's incredible. Do watch the other videos. This one you can get 30% off. I'll put the discount code beneath. My other product that I want to really highlight is the Lash and Crown. These are lashes. Woo! I love these lashes so much. I'm so excited about these lashes. And what I'm excited about with them is they are vegan. They are real hair lashes, which means that the price point is more. This one is Enchanted, and I want to say this one is $20. I think it is $20. I can actually look here. Okay, yes, Enchanted is $20. But you can wear this over 25 times. So it's less than $1 each use because it's real hair. So if you love lashes and you use lashes frequently, I highly recommend Lash and Crown. I love this idea. They're great quality. I'm going to show you how to wear them. So very exciting, especially for this glamorous look. I think this will be really beautiful. Okay, so I have foundation and some concealer on and a little bit of bronzer. So just to get me started, my eyebrows are filled in so you can see that. Okay, but we're going to start off. Do the makeup first and then some lashes, okay? So I'm gonna start off with a little bit of blush, and this has a lovely pinky blush called Tiara, which I'm gonna put on. So this has got a lot of pinks and then warm tones to kind of offset the pink, which I love. I think that's a wonderful idea. And YouTuber Kim Tai came up with this palette, and I just think it's a fabulous palette that's totally usable for just about anybody. All right, so I'm going to use the Maiden lipstick. So we're going to put on some lip color. I love strong lips. I really do. I have. If you have thin lips, I sometimes wearing too much lip color isn't good. So kind of modulate this according to your lips. And then I would wear the Kiss, the other one, the one that's not quite so strong. You don't have to put this on with your fingers. I am, because I left my lip brush at the film studio where I work as a makeup artist. That happens. I get a little scattered with all my stuff, you know? Okay, so beautiful fuchsia. Love, love, love this color. I'm just going to put a neutral lip liner with it. Why neutral, you ask? Well, because I don't want the line to show. I want it to be very subdued. When you get older, you go for more subdued as opposed to when you're younger, you go for like much more brash, stronger lines. When you get older, the opposite is true. Okay, now eyes, yay. Okay, so I'm gonna use just a neutral brownie color called Myth here. And I'm gonna go all over my eye, which I love this look. Oh, I love this color. It's just a wonderful, warm color. I think anybody can use this. So I'm kind of concentrating it in the crease, but I put a little on the lid. And then I'm going to use Enchanted, which is like a frosty color. So you can use frosts, okay? Don't be scared of stuff with mica in it. But you have to use them wisely. If you put too much, you look like the old lady who went crazy. It's not good. So you just use them. I'm just putting it just on the inner eye. And then I just tap it just to take off the excess because I don't want it to be too much, you know? But we are going for a glamorous look, so I'm going a little bit more than I would probably normally go. All right, so now I'm going to do an eyeliner. I'm just going to do the Myth, the brownie color, the same color I did in the crease. I'm going to go over the top of my lashes with this. The reason why I'm not doing a heavy lash line like an eyeliner is I'm going to do these false lashes, and you don't really need it in my opinion. Now you can, if you're really going for it, then go ahead and do a liner as well. But I do think on older women, less is more. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that there, just around my eye with a thin brush. So this is a lovely thin slanted brush. And just put that underneath. This is one makeup kind of, I don't know if it's a trick, but really to warm up your whole face. What I find is a lot of times we put on strong colors, but we don't soften them and warm them up with a warm shadow, which is what this color really is so amazing to use for, this color Myth. So I think this one is one of the most wearable ones in the whole palette. Love that. So beautiful. See how much my whole face has got a little bit of rose, but it's got a nice warm tone to it too, which I love. All right, so I'm going to do the crown, which is this pinky color. And we're going to do it just on the outer, just softly on the outer edge. So with the lashes, this is going to look incredible. Just a little bit. And you can do this with any accent color that you want to use. So this is great. Now in the video that Kim Tai did, she used it underneath her eye. Now she can get away with that because of her age. As you get older, you don't want to do a whole lot underneath. It pulls your eye down. If you're one of those people that takes the black eye and runs it underneath your eye, you need to stop. Okay? You just want to do a slight hint, okay? Because you want everything to go up. Right, like your boobs to go up, you want your butt to go up, like everything goes up. So if you're putting darkness here, you're pulling it down. So think up, okay, up. All right, so now I'm going to do a little bit of highlight before I do my lashes. So the fairy dust, I'm part fairy, so the fairy dust here is the highlighter color is perfect for me. So I'm going to do a little bit on my, look at that, lovely iridescent, kind of a soft gold shade. Beautiful, beautiful. Any of you can wear this. Dark skin, light skinned. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And be careful not to get it too close to your lines. As you get older, mica, that frosty bit in your lines, not good. All right, so I'm going to put a little bit. I can tell I'm shining up here just a bit. So I'm going to just powder. Okay, wonderful. All right, so we've used our palette. Okay, along with the palette comes this lovely lip gloss. Just a lovely bronze lip gloss. Looks like this. Beautiful. Kind of a pinky bronze. You know, I think lip gloss, you can put too much, right? Sometimes. But a little bit, it's beautiful. It's gorgeous. Wish I had a date. Okay, so now we're going to do the lash and crown. Again, I am in love with this. I am in love with lash and crown. All right, so then you use your tweezers to pull it out. You don't use your fingers to grab the lashes because this is real hair and you could damage it. So you only grab the band portion with your tweezers. Now I'm going to measure it because everyone's eye length is different. And just see where I need to trim it. Okay, there. I need to trim it right there. And you just take your scissors. Okay. Duo. Yeah. It's eyelash adhesive. I like to put Duo, the eyelash adhesive, on my hand. I find it really easy to then just run the lashes through that. Just puts just enough on. Okay. Now that you've got the band coated, give it about 30 to 60 seconds to sort of get a bit tacky. This is a trick with putting on lashes. You got to give them a second. Another trick you can do is just work it just a little bit just to make it more pliable so that when you put it on, it goes on, it's not stiff. Sometimes they can get a little stiff in their packaging. Don't put mascara on this. These are natural hair lashes. If you put mascara on it, it's going to ruin it. Okay? I have a little mascara on right now, and that's fine. That's not going to do anything. If you hear that sound, that's my dog. I don't know what she's doing over there. She's wrestling with herself. Okay. Okay, so now we're just going to place this, starting with the midsection, and then the ends. Place it right on your skin beneath your lashes and your skin. Pretty, huh? So you can see a little bit of the glue in there. That's okay, that'll dry. That'll go away. Okay, so I have both lashes on from Lash and Crown. I feel like I need to go dancing. They're spectacular. Again, these are real hair, vegan. They have over 25 uses per packet, so it's fantastic, okay? And this is the Deck of Scarlet number 8 palette all over my face, and I am ready to just go dancing or do something really glamorous because I feel so pretty right now. So I hope this has been helpful for you. Please write down below. I'd love to hear what you think. I'd love to hear from all of you. So thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.